Hi everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make French bread pizza. This literally costs about $2 to feed 4 people. Really inexpensive. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe. So let's check it out. So first we're going to start with our French bread. This was, normally it's $1 at Walmart. This was on sale for 69 cents, so partly why it makes it really inexpensive. So next I'm going to cut it down this way, and each of these should feed a person. Next we're going to put these on our pan. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. First we're going to put our pizza sauce on. Next we're going to put our mozzarella cheese on. Next we're going to put some pepperoni on each. Next, just like any other pizza, you can certainly customize. I'm going to put some onion on a couple. And I got some red pepper, red bell pepper. And there we go. Like I said, you can customize these any way you want. We're going to put these in the oven. There it goes, it's preheated 400 degrees. We're going to start at 15 minutes and see what it looks like. So here we go. Nice and done. That was about 25 minutes, give or take. Alright, let's give this bad boy a try. Nice and crispy, and I love how the French bread makes a nice crust. You can't beat it. Super cheap, $2-3 bucks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.